Hello friends, welcome to Information SD. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the top 10 most popular Chinese mobile brands in India. We have already discussed about top 10 Chinese apps in India in other video. To watch this video, go to the description box, link is there. Over the years, India has emerged as one of the fastest growing smartphone market in the world. And we know that India is the second largest smartphone market in the world. It is constantly attracting global brands seeking to expand their market here. So according to the latest report, Chinese brands Xiaomi, Vivo, Realme and Oppo accounted for 73% of India's market in terms of shipment in Q1 2020. So here in this video we'll discuss all the top most popular brand in India. We already know that campaign of boycott Chinese products and Chinese apps are going on. Main question is, can we boycott these Chinese mobiles from India? Many of our friends are asking question in social media, in Twitter, why government of India is not taking any necessary steps to ban this product from India. Look, we have to see one thing. Government of India is with World Trade Organizations. They have to follow the guidelines of World Trade Organization. They directly cannot ban their products because India also export our products to other countries. So trade treaty between the two nations cannot be violated. Now let us see all the popular Chinese mobile phone brands in India one by one. How slowly and cleverly Chinese company entered into Indian market and finished all other Indian leading companies such as Karbonn, Micromax, Lava, Spice, etc. And other companies also like LG, Intex, Panasonic, etc. Only two major companies, two brands, that is Samsung and Apple, are giving competition to this all Chinese company. How we have to see, Chinese are very intelligent. They fool all Indian public. Vivo, Oppo, OnePlus and Realme are from the same parent company, that is BBK Electronics. But how intelligently they come to India with 4 different brands, with brand names different, brand ambassador different, and headquarters and service centers all are different and with different features. They themselves compete with each other, and ultimately all money goes to BBK Electronics, that is in China, Shenzhen. They use our stars to endorse their brand. Vivo is endorsed by very popular Amir Khan, Vishal Kaushal. Oppo is endorsed by Hrithik Roshan, Sonam Kapoor, Deepika Padukone. OnePlus is endorsed by big star Amitabh Bachchan, and next MI is endorsed by Virat Kohli, Anushka Sharma, Katrina Kaif, Ranbir Kapoor. They use our channels, stars to endorse their brands, but now stars have to decide whether to endorse their products or not, because it's a very critical situation. Not only that, big brand also sponsored very popular shows such as Kaun Banega Crorepati by Vivo, Big Boss by Vivo, and our very popular Indian Premier League is also sponsored by Vivo. And Oppo, other brand, other subsidiary, is sponsored our Indian national cricket team. Chinese brand mobile phones in India. So if you like the video, don't forget to share this with your friends and take a promise to don't buy any mobiles that is made in China from today. Buy other mobile phones such as Samsung's, Apple, Lava, Intex, Panasonic's, and our own brand, Indian brand Karbonn, Micromax, Lava, etc. So that's all in this video. If you like this, give me a like and subscribe this channel also. Thanks for watching.